are you still proofreading your documents yourself? Well, not me, because my web browser does it for me. So if you want to know how, watch this video. Well, I'm using Comet browser by Perplexity, and if you don't already have it, you can download it. So go to your Comet browser and open the document that you want to proofread. So this is the document that I want to proofread, and you can see there are a lot of grammatical errors and spelling mistakes. So now I'll simply open my assistant from this tab and clicking on this assistant button and give it an instruction here to correct all the spelling, punctuation, and grammatical errors from the document while making sure that the original formatting and structure is intact, and an instruction to review all the changes that have been made. So I'll send this prompt and wait for it to start working on my document. And here it has identified all the mistakes and is trying to find and replace them. Our document is done proofreading, and you can see that it has given me all the corrections that were made. And now if I click on this spelling checker, I can see there are no spelling errors or grammatical errors. So just like that, within a few minutes, your document can become error free without even having to do it yourself. So that's how you can use Comet AI browser to assist in your tasks.